Hi everyone, my name is Brooke with Interquip Instruments. Thank you for visiting us on YouTube. Today we are going to be sharing pointers about the Lane Pulsator probe cords. If you've ever used a Lane Pulsator before, you've likely needed to replace the cord occasionally. Two questions we get asked pretty frequently are, how do I know which cord I need, and how can I make my cord last longer? So stick with us, we're going to be answering both of those questions in today's video. So the first question about how do I tell which cord I need, it's actually really easy to figure this out, and there are two ways to do this. First is by using the Pulsator serial number on the control box, which is located on the bottom right there. If for some reason you can't find this, if it's been rubbed off or you just can't locate it, the second way is by identifying which cord connect you have that goes into your Pulsator. So unmodified Pulsator 4s, starting with the serial number A, are going to have the old 22-4 twist lock style, and this has the two prongs coming out of the end. And Pulsator 4s that start with the serial number B, and all the Pulsator 5s are going to have the new 22-5 microphone style twist lock, which has the three holes in the end of it, just like a microphone would. It is possible to retrofit old Pulsator 4 machines with the new 22-5 cords, and this can be really helpful for people that have multiple machines and want them all to use the same cord. So the second question we get asked a lot is, how can I make my cord last longer? And the method that I'm going to show you today works best with our upright probe users. What we recommend doing is taking your cord connect and plugging it into Pulsator like that, and you're going to take your cord, put it like this along the handle, leaving enough at the top so it makes a loop, and we recommend to tape it around here. This can be with any kind of tape, electrical tape, vet tape, hockey tape, any kind of strong tape that's durable and is going to stick. And what that's going to do is that's going to act as a strain relief for the cord right here so that it doesn't get bent and there's no pressure on it. We also recommend that users try and avoid putting any extra tension on the cord or any pressure. We know that bowls can be kind of unpredictable and crazy sometimes, but if you avoid things like pulling the probe out by the cord, you're definitely going to increase your cord's life. Thank you so much for watching, and if you learned something today, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Until the next time, stay safe and have a great day.